Hello, I have two trades on Nasdaq and here is the breakdown. On the 15-minute time frame yesterday we have the change of character on the sell side. So whenever we have a change of character, the first thing on the 15-minute time frame what I do, I go one time frame higher to see that if that is not the inducement. So basically this is the inducement. Let me refresh. Yeah. So this is the inducement on the 1 hour time frame. So you see that price never settled down below this low. So that's why whenever we have the inducement, the first thing what I look for the price to go on the other side of the range. So in this case, we were already bullish from here since yesterday. But I'm not going to explain the price action here because this is yesterday's price action. In this video, I will just explain why I shorted this one. So once we reach to the breakup structure on the 1 hour time frame and it's on the 15-minute time frame another change of character. Why? Because we will have a two change of characters and usually this happens when we have the inducement because market induce people on this side and they make them believe that we have a change of character and now we are bearish, and this is all the internal range liquidity, and this is what people they want to sell something from there, and then they never work out. Why? Because basically this was the inducement. So that's why market already is going to uh, take the other side of the market. So that's why we are not bearish because of this change of bearish character. We were bullish yesterday, but let's go on this area how I shorted the market here, this area. This is number one, this is the change of character. Like I said that we will have the two change of characters. If we have the inducement, the other side we are looking for, so of course we will have another change of character. So it doesn't matter that you call this change of character or breakup structure. If this is a change of character, then this is also a change of character, but you can call this a breakup structure as well because this is the inducement, by the way. So this is also not only the change of character but also the previous week high, and it's not only the previous week high but also all times high. So whenever the price has reached to the previous week high or all times high or even previous day high, something like this, whenever the price approaches to these areas, the high chance is the risk of exhaustion. So I know the fact that the price can exhaust in this area, but it doesn't mean that I know the fact means I will directly sell here. So I will look for the 1 minute or 3 minute confirmation entries. And if I get the entry, I will take it. If I don't get, then it means it is just the continuation. So that's why this area today for me, the risk of exhaustion, and I was looking for sell. Once we were above the change of character, I moved my chart to the 1 minute time frame, and on the 1 minute time frame I was looking for a QM, which we got here. And once we got the QM, and by the way, this QM is the shared QM with 15-minute time frame, and this is the 15-minute QM. If you see, to confirm the high, because we are here and our high is not confirmed yet. So that's why until the QM will not confirm, we can't confirm the high. So that's why we have 1 minute QM, but 15-minute QM is not confirmed yet until we reach here. So this is the for the internal structure, this gray one. So this is the 1 minute QM, and I'm looking for the opposite QM here. So where is the opposite QM? The opposite QM is here. Now I have two options. Either I wait for this liquidity to be taken out, or I directly enter here, and my risk is this one, and my target is at least the price to take the QM, and I am looking for the 4R. If I can get this 4R without the price to go to this liquidity, then I'm perfectly fine, because if the price goes higher to take the liquidity and then fall, I'm still okay. But if it doesn't offer me 4R, then I will wait for the price to take this liquidity. And if you go to the even 3 minute time frame, we don't have any liquidity here until this is also not the liquidity, because these are the inside bars. These are the inside bars. So this is not the swing. So actually we don't have any liquidity, by the way. So on the 1 minute time frame, this was my first entry, and I got the 4R. So this is my first trade, 4R, and we got the 15-minute QM. Once we got the 15-minute QM, I put the blue dot here. Now my 15-minute range has also been confirmed. Now we have the range, 15-minute range from here, from A to B, and the price is just coming down to take the internal range liquidity. And once we reach to the 15-minute QM, because this is the 15-minute QM, and also you can call that the higher time frame external range liquidity. So I will stop looking for 1 minute ranges anymore once we reach to the higher time frame liquidity point. And I have explained this in so much detail in my two videos, and you can watch those videos. Maybe later on I will post the link here somewhere. And once we got the 1 minute 15-minute QM, then I'm looking for the deeper pullback. So for the deeper pullback, I go on the I go to the 3 minute time frame. On the 3 minute time frame, we have what? We have, this one is the first QM on the 3 minute time frame. This one and this one, right? So on the 3 minute time frame, and then what we are looking for? We are looking for an opposite QM. And where is the opposite QM? This is not the valid swing. Why? Because this swing never took this swing high. So these three bars are inside bars basically. Two, and actually these two bars are inside bar, and this bar even took the previous bar low, but it's okay. But this high is not valid. So that's why we will go further back and we will see here. So we have this one here, the liquidity grab and the breakup structure. So once we got the breakup structure, we have a confirmed QM. So we can say that now we have a range from A to B, and our liquidity. So basically on the 1 minute time frame here, whatever the whatever the swing highs are, actually they become the liquidity. So we have now the range from A to B. And by the way, this is on the 1 minute time frame. This is coming something like this, like lower low, lower high, something like this. So this high on the 1 minute time frame is a protected high. So I want a higher time frame POI to sell. I move to the 15-minute time frame to see, and it was the this one, the 15-minute fair value gap. Once we got the 15-minute fair value gap, and this is where I'm looking for sell, and I'm looking for the 5 hour. So at the external range liquidity, I got my 4 hour very easily. But I was looking for 5 hours, so this was very quick trade and it was a continuation trade. And now we have the this one. This is the lower high. This is the high, low, lower high, and this is what the internal breakup structure. This is the internal breakup structure. And now looking for another QM. By the way, this trade moved way lower, like something 15 hours, something like this. But I didn't took the 15 hour or something like. I just closed my whole trade at 5 hour because this is what I'm looking from the market, anywhere between 4 to 7 hour, and I'm done. Basically, I have 4 hour here and 5 hour here, so both are total 9 hour trades. Okay, thank you very much.